we've got the integral of ln x. Now, at first this might not seem like an integration by parts question, but if you just go along with the kind of traditional thought process that is working with integrals and what we know about integrals and what we know that we can integrate and differentiate, I think you'll have a tough time integrating the natural log of x without using an integration by parts technique. Now, what a lot of people don't understand at first is that ln x isn't just ln x, it's actually 1 times ln x. And because it's 1 times ln x, what that means is now we can let u equal ln x, because we can easily differentiate that to get 1 over x. The reason we let u equal ln x and not dv equaling ln x is because if we were to put ln x here, we would have to integrate that to find v. And if we knew how to integrate that, then we wouldn't have to do anything with this integral because we're simply integrating it to begin with. So we let that be u because we can differentiate it easily. We'll let dv be 1, and when dv is 1 with respect to x, that means that v is simply x. And so with integration by parts, we go across first, and then we go down and over. So we go x ln x, that's going across that way, minus the integral of x over x, which is 1 with respect to x. And then we solve that integral, we get x ln x minus the integral of 1 with respect to x is simply x. And because this is an indefinite integral, there are no bounds, we must simply remember to add that constant at the end. So this is your solution for the integral of the natural log of x. If you have any questions or if you've got any other calculus or physics problems you want me to tackle, please leave it in the comments below. I hope that you found this helpful.